There's a lip right here on the bottom of this can. I'm going to show y'all something. See, I made a hole in the bottom of this can. You don't take the whole lid off, because really you can't unless you cut it open with a knife, and that's kind of dangerous. So what this does is it breaks the seal and it lets some air inside this can. Now I'm going to pop the top of it. Now it's going to come out the other end, and that's okay. Just turn it back over. It'll come right out. Y'all see that? You see how easy that is? All you got to do is break that vacuum on the bottom of that can. This mushroom soup will come right out. I'll show you again. So watch this. Did you hear that seal break? That's all you got to do. Works on cream of chicken too.